we had the meeting of the North Goa District Consumer Protection Council. It has been held actually after 2 years gap, but it was a very good meeting today. It was chaired by Additional Collector 2. And today one of the main things that we would like to highlight is that, see, there are many departments of the government of Goa who have still not publicized three things. One is their grievance redressal officer. Secondly, they are finding that their websites are not updated, And third point is that their citizen charter is not available. So these are the three important things that we have highlighted. And more than that, we have now requested at least 12-13 departments are not member of the council. So we feel these problems of the consumers will not get reflected and not get discussed if they are not made members of the council. And today's meeting has accepted that. Some of the key issues that we have highlighted today, one, of course, just now at the end we have taken up the issue of the smart meter also, that consumers have a right to choose. And therefore, if a meter is going to be introduced, any meter which will be introduced, it must have the right of the consumer to have a postpaid payment on that meter. Like I take a phone connection, I have prepaid and postpaid. So the existing meter facility we have a postpaid. So if the new meter will come, then the new meter also should have that facility, because that is the right to choose of the consumer.
And the weighing scales that are being used for the Friday market or in Mapsa are not proper. Say in the fish market also they are using scales that are to be weighed for 10 kilos and above. For 10 kilos and above, the weight is not meant for scales to be weighed to weigh fish which is 1 or 2 kilos. So you don't get the right weight. So this is the problem. In Friday market also the scales that are being used are not proper. So they should be checked. So there should be some point somebody should come and check this.
One point I raised was about the adulterated coconut oil. Now we have seen in Mapsa, Margaon and Vasco also, I have collected a sample of coconut oil and I have found that they are adulterated with mineral oil. I have a certificate from the FDA when I sent the oil for the checking. Then I found that the report says that it contains mineral oil and which cannot be consumed by the human being cannot consume. And they are openly sold in Mapsa market and other markets. So I requested to take a proper action on that. Besides the other vendors which are openly selling on the roadside, they are selling the various type of goods. I suggested they should put the certificate of weighing machine. The certificate should be displayed on the weighing machine so that people doesn't get cheated.
But 25th of June is observed as State Consumer Rights Day. So आम्ही त्यांना अपील केला आहे की त्यांच्यानी जागृताय वाढवपाचे. जो सामान्य गिरायक, and this also Additional Collector has supported that सामान्य जो गिरायक असा तो फसता, त्याका खबर ना की बाबा कितें करपाचें. सो बाजारान आम्ही एक प्रपोज केला की आता लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी त्यांचो क्विक रिस्पॉन्स नंबर असा. सो ती बरी सिस्टम आहा, ती क्विक रिस्पॉन्स नंबर तेजेर बरी पब्लिसिटी दिवची, so people can approach them quickly. Secondly, the issue of fake helmets also came up today. Traffic police also have taken up that matter. And Bureau of Indian Standards चे कोण लोक असले, आम्ही त्यांना सांगले तुम्ही गोंयान येऊन ते ऍक्शन घेवपा जाय, नाले ते बंद जावचे ना. सो फेक हेल्मेट जे रेंट बाईक जे असतात, खूपशे टुरिस्ट आम्ही पळयता ती रेंट बाईक जेन्ना वापरता ते फेक हेल्मेट म्हणजे नॉन ISI मार्क. And non-ISI mark helmets are vaporized is dangerous. Okay. So beside that, we have also taken up the issues with the education department and fire department. आता आमका खूपशे कंप्लेनी येले की एड्युकेशन म्हणजे आमचे स्कॉलां आसा, आमचे बिल्डिंगो आसा, जे एड्युकेशन स्कुलां बी आसा, त्यांचे फायर NOC सारखी ना. सो आम्ही आज कलेक्टरान अप्रूव्ह केला तो पॉइंट की येता त्या वर्सा बरो एक सिस्टमॅटीक कॅम्पेन जावचे आणि सगळ्या बिल्डिंगाचेर फायर NOC जावची आणि त्या प्रमाणे फायर सेफ्टीचे अवेअरनेस वाडोवचे. आज तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार कितले केसी वाडटा फायराचे, उजो पेट्टा. And this is a serious problem for the consumer, particularly senior citizens.